Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will be discussing the Q1 FY25 result of V2 Retail. Okay, very fabulous set of numbers. We will be discussing both the result as well as the con call. इसका result कल आया था and con call just happened today at 12 in the noon, right? So I was there attending the con call live. So मैं ऐसे con call सुन के like I was taking down the notes. So anyways, we will do both. I thought just club it all together rather than make a separate video. It's just better that way, right? So let us first discuss the business model of V2 Retail. मतलब ये क्या करता है, राइट? फ्रॉम द नेम इटसेल्फ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट इज़ अ B2C ओरिएंटेड बिजनेस. ठीक है, ये तो अपैरल स्पेस में काम करता है, विच मीन्स दे सेल क्लोथ्स. ओके, एंड यहाँ पे इफ यू लुक एट द क्लोथ्स दे सेल वाइड वेराइटी एंड वाइड रेंजेस ऑफ क्लोथ्स. मतलब मेन्स वेयर, वुमेन्स वेयर, चिल्ड्रंस वेयर. ठीक है, मेन्स वेयर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट्स अराउंड 38%, वुमेन्स वेयर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट्स 24% एंड किड्स वेयर जो है 25%. एंड रेस्ट जो है आपका लाइफ स्टाइल, लाइक आपका सॉक्स, हैंडकर्चिफ, वो सब अदर्स आता है रेस्ट का कैटेगरी, लाइक 8-9%. ठीक है, नाउ इफ यू टॉक अबाउट V2 रिटेल, अगेन V2 रिटेल सिर्फ अपना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपना खुद का ही ब्रांड बेचता है. ओके, मतलब अगर आप V2 का रिटेल का शॉप में जाते हो, दे हैव देयर ओन ब्रांड, प्रोप्राइटरी ब्रांड विच कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट्स टू 80% ऑफ द सेल, और 20% जो है इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम सम अदर पीपल्स ब्रांड ऑल्सो, दे सेल इट इन देयर शोरूम्स. ओके, सो दैट इज नंबर वन. And this this is actually you'll mostly find it in Bihar, in Uttar Pradesh, in I think now they've started. So this was started actually in the areas such as Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, and in those kind of northern and the eastern belt. But now they're venturing out into other states such as Assam, Tripura, Delhi NCR, Karnataka, and all. They're venturing out into many states. So you understood the business model, right? Basically, these people sell clothes, and specifically what kind of clothes they sell? They sell the clothes that come in this economic range or value product जो आप बोलते हैं. The similar kind of clothes you'll find in D-Mart, Vishal Mega Mart, all of these things. Not in the way of Zudio, because Zudio is affordable fashion, you can tell in a way, but this is like little bit even much at a lesser price point compared to the likes of Zudio. ठीक है, so this is basically the business model. Simple सा, सिर्फ कपड़े बेचता है, यही समझो, वही काफ़ी है आपके लिए. ठीक है, that is it. ठीक है, now अगर आप उनका I'll just straightly get into the Q1 FY25 का नंबर. इनफैक्ट Q1 FY25 का टॉप लाइन अगर आप देखते हो, इट इज़ नॉट वेरी सरप्राइजिंग, बिकॉज आई थिंक व्हेन द अपडेट केम आई ऑल्सो मेड अ वीडियो ऑन दैट. इफ यू हैवंट वॉच्ड इट, जस्ट कैच अप विद दैट टू, बिकॉज अपडेट वॉज वेरी स्टनिंग ना. बिकॉज अपडेट में उन्होंने बोला था कि लाइक टॉप लाइन दैट इज देयर, टॉप लाइन ग्रू बाय अ वूपिंग 52% दैट टाइम ऑन अ ईयर ऑन ईयर बेसिस, राइट? या 57% ऑन अ ईयर ऑन ईयर बेसिस. And the second thing that is there, उनका जो SSG था, that also they had given that the same store sales growth for Q1 FY25 was 37%. It was quite a great set of numbers. I mean, think about it. Like कोई आके बोल रहा है कि like उन्होंने sales literally on a Q1, like it is not even the best quarter, because अगर आप apparels में देखते हो, there are 4 quarters, right? Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4, right? In Q1 if you see, Q1 is a normal quarter, क्योंकि क्या होता है Q1 में like कुछ शादी नहीं होता है, उतना सारा शादी नहीं होता है, and on top of that कोई भी festivities नहीं है. So Q1 is a very normal quarter for all of the B2C space. Q2 अगर आप देखते हो थोड़ा सा weakest होता है compared to all the quarters, क्योंकि monsoon season है तो कोई ज़्यादा शॉप में नहीं जाता, दुकान में नहीं जाता है. एंड Q3 दैट इज देयर इज अ वेरी बेस्ट सीजन, क्योंकि वहाँ पे शादी होता है, फेस्टिविटीज होते हैं, दिवाली, दशहरा एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड Q4 आफ्टर दैट अगेन शादी एंड ऑल होते हैं, बट उतना फेस्टिविटीज नहीं होता है. सो इट इज बेसिकली लिटिल बिट वीकर कंपेयर टू Q3. सो दिस इज सो यू कैन सी राइट, Q1 इज अ मोस्ट नॉर्मल क्वार्टर, एंड Q1 में इन स्पाइट ऑफ इट यू कैन सी दैट दे हैव ग्रोन 57%. इसका मैं एक चीज़ बोलती हूँ, अगर आप V2 रिटेल के लिए, इट इज़ मोर लाइक अ टर्न अराउंड स्टोरी. ठीक है, क्योंकि earlier V2 retail actually if you see, they had this company called Vishal Mega Mart. Okay, they had acquired this company, but this company Vishal Mega Mart that is there, it is also same. ये मतलब ये एक I don't know if you're in Bangalore, you might have come across this. In Vishal Mega Mart they sell again affordable fashion, clothes, आपका grocery items, आपका ये बर्तन सब, that is what they sell. ठीक है, now this Vishal Mega Mart was really dragging their profits down. It was really killing their margins and everything, and they decided like यार इसको छोड़ते, इसको like भेजो, like this is just not working out for us. So they let it go, and then they just started focusing on V2 retail itself. And when they let that Vishal Mega Mart को like इस लात मार के निकाल दिया ना, and then ultimately V2 started also getting better and better and better. And finally I think when was it, 2 quarters ago, or I don't remember exactly the timeline, it turned profitable also, like very good, and that's when the journey for this started. Now profitable भी है, and on top of that they're expanding and expanding and expanding. So that is where the entire game changer comes. So I'll quickly get into the Q1 FY25 result. If you look at the top line, the sales that is there, the sales grew by like a whooping 57%. अगर उनका PAT देखते हो, PAT grew by 163%, which means more than double, literally 1.6x हुआ है year on year. मैं सब parameter year on year में I'm talking about. The SSG that is there, the SSG grew, SSG was at, for Q1 FY25 it was at 37%, okay, and उनका volume growth जो है, right, volume growth also grew 55% on a year on year basis. So on all parameters you can tell that it was check, right, everything was going on really well, okay. Yeah, after that if you check, if you see, just a second, mummy, Santosh call ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಪಾತ್ರೆ ಬಂದು, ಓಕೆ ಒಂದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಂತಂದುಲ್ಲತ್ತ. Okay, then we have the average selling price. Average selling price or average billing में उतना कुछ changes नहीं हुआ है. Now here is the thing, right, like average selling price Q1 में last time 257 था, अभी 260 है, ठीक है. Now there couldn't be a lot of difference over here, like because see, let's say for example one time the person could be like buying a handkerchief or something, and the other time he might come and buy some high expensive product like jeans. So ASP and billing volume जो है, it can depend on the kind of product that you're buying and how many quantities that also you're buying, right? So it is not really the right metric to see, ठीक है. Now all of this you saw, right, like very very good set of numbers, like excellent set, like इसमें like when you took the income statement and you saw there was not one thing that you can possibly find anything wrong, like absolute brilliant set. उनका con call भी ना very तगड़ा था, it went on for an hour also, like questions पे questions था. Now this was about Q1 FY25. Now I've always told you, right, जब एक result अच्छा होता है, it is not about just that result alone. You will have to see even like the management commentary कैसा होता है, because if let's say you have a good set of numbers right now and going forward you're going to tell कि like आगे जाके problems आएगा, then of course that stock also will not perform ना, because you're indirectly telling कि like अगर demand घट रहा है and everything, that tomorrow going forward आपका sales में कोई problem आ सकता है, right, that is what you're indirectly telling. So the con call also, if you go look at it, very bullish. In fact, let me cover again in terms of points really. First, in terms of demand, right, the management told the demand has been quite positive. They do not see any cutback in terms of demand. You do not see people spending less or anything. Absolutely crazy demand. That is one thing, okay. The second thing in terms of store expansion, because right now as of end of June, that is as of end of Q1 FY25, you will see that they have around 127 stores, okay, and in this quarter alone they added 10 stores. So every year they plan to add around 40 to 50 stores. So roughly if they have to double the stores, it will take them around 3 years, right? Rough estimation, 3 to 3.5 years is what they're telling. So the store expansion rate is also coming up to be great. और उन्होंने बोला कि like going forward, this year they will add 40 to 50 stores, and maybe next year they will add around 60 to 70 stores depending, because let's say अगर इस साल में they added 40 to 50 stores and the new stores that is there is taking up really good shape, मतलब the SSG comes up to be in the double digit numbers, it continues to grow very fast, swiftly, and let's say the existing stores that is there, even those continue to perform well. If both of these continue and the response is very good, then going forward in from next year onwards, that is FY25-26 onwards, they will start opening 60 to 70 stores. Now it all depends on this year. So आपने देखा store expansion भी सही है, demand भी सही है, and other thing, the most important thing, like I tell you, guidance जो है, guidance भी उन्होंने बोला कि like भाई हम लोग 30 to 40% टारगेट कर रहे हैं next 3 years के लिए, and जब हमारा बेस बढ़ता ही जाएगा तब हमारा SSG 10% से double digit. Now this is the thing, management एक बार बोला 10%, फिर बोला 15%, फिर बोला 20%, so I do not know 10 to 20% में क्या है. Even in terms of revenue guidance, they told like they are trying to achieve a revenue guidance of around 30 to 40%, and next time they told 40 to 50%. So probably they can see the demand being really well, but they just don't want to give that hope to the investors, like they just want to underplay the whole thing, like always under promise and over deliver. That is what they want to target. So that is what I think they're doing. But like I told you, right, in everything, like every parameter that you check for V2, like tick 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 tick, just no problem. The last thing I want to cover is here is in terms of competition, because you will see I think a lot of people have have this thing, this like V2 retail है, V2 retail में Zudio है, अभी Reliance का I think U-Star कुछ है, which is also coming up in the affordable space, right? So will it affect going forward? So V2 retail का management ने ये बोला कि like India जो है, it is such a big country that all of us can grow, and all of us can have a healthy sales growth. Like it's not that one person is coming and cannibalizing your sales. That won't happen, because like you told, India is a very huge country, and this entire category, the affordable fashion, the value range of product, is the most is a very interesting play to happen. And I think this was a similar kind of answer given by Hemant Jalan of Indigo Paints also, right? Because you also seen paints, a lot of competition is coming up, and Hemant Jalan also told the same thing, that India is such a huge country that all the paints company can come. It is not necessarily every time only Berger and Asian Paints have to survive, because again there are so much demand and there are so many people over there to whom you can cater to, ठीक है. And उन्होंने ये भी बोला कि like उनका अभी जो एक स्टोर है, I think in front of one store, V2 retail था, and recently Zudio had also opened. Now just because Zudio had opened, that it didn't cannibalize the sales of V2 retail, right? And one of the reason was two things they told कि like पहला तो याद है, India is so big that everybody can grow. Second was उनका जो price point is, it is a little bit different. Like Zudio is much more a bit relatively, if you have to compare, Zudio is a bit more pricier compared to V2 retail. The second thing is, even why V2 retail would be preferred is, V2 retail is more like a family space, right? If you go to V2 retail, you get men's wear, women's wear, and children's wear. Whereas if you go to Zudio is primarily more focused on getting a lot, like even kids wear is there, but primarily it's more focused on men's and women's wear. So this is the two things, two major, he told 2 to 3 reasons why, as to like it didn't, like having a Zudio store next to a V2 retail store, why it didn't cannibalize the sale, right? Overall a good set of numbers, guidance be very strong hai. ROE of the company right now, if you see, it's around 12.5%, okay? And the growth they're targeting, it's as usual 30 to 40%. So वो gap आता है. So somebody had asked in the con call, like, what is your target for ROE? Like, where do you see ROE going in a few years? Even here also they told कि like ROE जो है हमारा 12% से 22% हो जाएगा. So again, great thing, right? The company is telling they will increase in ROE, and of course if ROE improves, it is good for shareholders, right? Because आपका ROE का 3 component क्या है? Volume growth, value growth, and financial leverage, right? आपका volume, because in financial leverage I think they have around 70 to 75 crores in debt, वहाँ से आ जाएगा. आपका जो volume growth है is coming, of course, like I told you, volume growth is 55% on a year-on-year basis. That too, can you imagine, like on a normal quarter it is 55%. Like it's bonkers. Like what is this business doing? I just seriously even still now don't understand. And the last thing, value growth यहाँ पे आएगा by better product mix, by better product mix. यहाँ पे another reason to get for them why value growth will come is because, like I told you, right, 80% जो आ रहा था अभी आ रहा है business अपना खुद का business से, 20% आ रहा है from other people's business, that is you're selling other people's brand in your mall. So going forward, when you go to from 80 to 100%, which is your target, again here also your value का growth आ जाएगा, your margins will improve, because anyways when you sell your own brands, it's much more margin accretive, let's say, from when you're selling a third party का brand. So all of these 3 parameters will improve your ROE. But here ये पूरा का पूरा volume growth है, because one thing that really amazes me about V2 retail is, because if you see everybody in this space, right, whether it is Vishal Mega Mart, whether it is D-Mart, or the apparel space in D-Mart, whether if you see in which is that other company, V-Mart, right, they are finding it very hard to grow at this pace, or they're not at all growing. But this is just one company that is just like somehow managing to do, like, I don't know what, like they're growing at a lightning speed. It's unbelievable, right? So overall, just a great set of numbers, great con call, literally, like I told you, nothing. In fact, another thing over here is, somebody had asked कि like आप इतना sales कैसे कर रहे हो, कि like आप क्या like पैसा खर्चा कर रहे हो क्या marketing में, और उन्होंने बोला कि like भाई actually हमारा marketing spend जो है, if you compare it this year to last year, it has actually decreased. So we are spending less in marketing. We are able to get this so much sales because of word of mouth marketing हो रहा है, because the products are so good, like so freaking good, that people are going and telling it to other people, and that is how the footfall is increasing, in the stores and everything. And of course, right, उन्होंने बार-बार ये बोला है कि like as long as I focus on myself, मैं competition में ना focus करूँ other things, मैं खुद के ऊपर focus करूँ और मेरा product को मैं ठीक करूँ, तो सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, right? And that is, I would say, a very fab way to put out a statement, because ultimately, right, if you put your life straight, if you as an individual take care of yourself, then everything around you will fall into places, right? Instead ऑफ वरिंग अबाउट ये क्या कर रहे हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं. दैट इज एग्जैक्टली दैट. एंड यू नो just great set of numbers. That's all I can tell. I'll just wrap it up this video by giving you I think last thing I know, I really don't want to talk about valuation over here, but मतलब कंपनी 50% से ग्रो करे, क्या वैल्यूएशन में बात करूँ जब इतना ग्रोथ है, राइट. बट आई नो यू पीपल ऑल्सो विल बी लाइक विल स्टार्ट इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन. सो देखो, लाइक इफ यू सी इन द नॉर्मल क्वार्टर अलोन दे हैव बीन एबल टू क्लॉक 16 इस क्वार्टर में 16
battery below 50% PNA.
Last year itself, मतलब पूरा साल में in FY24 it was 27 crores. So they've literally clocked more than last year का entire year का profit जो है उसका आधा से ज़्यादा भी इस एक क्वार्टर में किया है. ओके, नाउ मैं वेरी कंजर्वेटिवली मैं बोलती हूँ, ठीक है. लाइक मतलब आप ये मत सोचना कि लाइक Q3 में अच्छा सीजन है एंड एवरीथिंग. वेरी कंजर्वेटिवली मैं सोचती हूँ कि लाइक यहाँ पे 16 करोड़ है, राइट. आगे जाके लाइक ऑल द 3 क्वार्टर्स Q2 Q3 Q4 में लेट्स से वो 15 करोड़ ही करता है, ठीक है. सो कितना हुआ 15 + 15 + 15 इज 45 प्लस और एक 15 डालो कितना 61 करोड़. आप इसका मार्केट कैप क्या है अराउंड 3214 करोड़, राइट. डिवाइडेड बाय कितना था वो 60, 15 × 4 पकड़ लो 60, राइट. सो 61 करोड़ पकड़ लो तो इसका पी आता है अराउंड 52. सो इफ इट इंक्रीजेस आपका पैट और भी बढ़ता है, लेट्स से पैट इससे भी ज़्यादा आप 20 करोड़ पकड़ लो इंटू 80, 20 × 4 80 होता है लेट्स से, और 3000 डिवाइडेड बाय 80, राइट, 40. सो यू आर गेटिंग दिस एट अ 1 year फॉरवर्ड पी इन द रेंज ऑफ 40 to 52. इस रेंज में आ रहा है आपको. एंड यू इन्फेयर इट एज टू लाइक हाउ एक्सपेंसिव और हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज. दैट इज अप टू यू, राइट. आई मीन नॉट डिफिकल्ट, हाउ चीप और हाउ एक्सपेंसिव इट इज, इट्स अप टू यू. बट क्योंकि मतलब इतना छोटू सा कंपनी है, 3214 करोड़ का मार्केट कैप है, उसमें वो 50% ग्रो करे, लाइक वुश, like bonkers, like absolutely bonkers. And what I really like is, you know, they're not sacrificing profitability in order to get growth. So really I don't know, probably this could be the next trend if it can continue, right. Like अगर इसका pace of growth बढ़ता ही जाता है and if let's say it can continue to deliver just like how trend did, because you look at trend consistently 50% का growth करता था. So if it can do this like what trend had done, who knows, this could be the next trend in the affordable category, right. So overall good set of numbers, nothing to complain, really very great result. So I'll just wrap it up the entire thing by telling you first sales check mark, very good set of numbers in terms of sales. 57% से ग्रो किया आपका. PAT grew by 163%, so you're having a good amount of operating leverage, right. Margins is quite strong. PAT margin is at 3.9% right now, and by the way they are targeting to reach a PAT margin of 4.5 to 5%. so they are going to increase the PAT margin also. अगर PAT margin बढ़ता है तो of course आपका value growth बढ़ता है, which means again ROE will increase, right. Then next SSG is quite strong at 37%. Store expansion is very good. They are planning to open 40 to 50 stores this year, 127. So store expansion is doing great. After that, guidance is very strong. Guidance also they want to grow by 30 to 40% in the coming year and in the next 3 to 4 years, right. Demand is quite healthy, right. And again, product offerings are quite great. So all of the things goes check. And yeah, that is how it is. I mean, like I told you, I just can't find anything negative. If you can find, let me know. I don't think you will, but yeah. So overall, a good set of numbers. And on top of that, on top of all of these things, you will also see that this company will start in ROE भी यहाँ पे बढ़ता जाएगा. Why 3 components ROE? Leverage, asset turnover and profit margin. आपका जो मार्जिन है, लाइक दे टोल्ड, उन्होंने बोला कि लाइक प्रॉफिट मार्जिन जो है बढ़ेगा, राइट. प्रॉफिट मार्जिन विल गो टू 4.5 to 5. आपका वहाँ पे टिक हो गया. एसेट टर्नओवर तो आएगा वॉल्यूम से, और यहाँ पे स्टोर भी खुल रहा है, सो वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ भी आ जाएगा. लेवरेज उनका थोड़ा सा डेट है, 74 करोड़ का डेट है. इफ दे कैन यूज इट वाइजली, ऑफ कोर्स इवन फ्रॉम देयर ऑल ऑफ द रीजंस यू विल सी ROE इंक्रीजिंग फ्रॉम 12 to क्या है 12 to 22%. So overall just a fabulous set of numbers. I'm just thinking if I can calculate with the प्रॉफिट मार्जिन, इसका सेल्स लेट्स से 50% से ये ग्रो कर रहा है. लास्ट टाइम कितना ग्रो किया FY23 वर्सेस FY24? 38%. आई जस्ट डू अ लाइव कैलकुलेशन. ओके, ठीक है. ये 1065 इंटू लेट्स से 50% से ग्रो करेगा, ठीक है. 50 डिवाइडेड बाय 100, 582 प्लस 1165, ठीक है. सो इफ़ यू टेक, आई एम टेकिंग लेट्स से फ्रॉम FY24 से ये FY25 तक पूरा साल में ये 50% पे ग्रो करेगा, विच मीन्स out in FY24 का revenue was 1165 crore. Okay, 1165 crore था. A 50% up on that is the FY25 का revenue will be 1747. Okay, that is the FY25 का. Now PAT margin is nothing but your net profit divided by the sale. उन्होंने बोला कि like net profit PAT margins रहेगा 4.5 to 5. Let me be very conservative and take 4.5. So 4.5. ठीक है. So this into the sales 1745. So net profit comes up to 7880 crores. 7880 crores. Market cap क्या है 3214 divided by, चलो 80 crores करते हैं, 40 का 1 year का forward P हो गया ना वहाँ पे, 1 year forward P यहाँ पे 40 है. मेरा कैलकुलेशन भी करेक्ट था. सी दिस इज हाउ यू कैलकुलेट वैल्यूएशन. ओके, डोंट लुक एट ऑल दैट एक्सेल एंड ऑल, लाइक कुछ बकवास है ये टेक्निकल सब देखना. दिस इज जस्ट लाइव. मैनेजमेंट बोल रहे हैं कैलकुलेटर में डालो, कैलकुलेटर भी नहीं चाहिए, दिमाग में डालो. इट इज जस्ट डन. सो 1 year forward P, इवन इफ यू डू दैट कैलकुलेशन, लाइक 50% से सेल ग्रो करेगा अगले साल में and 80 crore का होगा. So on the best case scenario it will be that. So overall again great set of numbers. Yeah, now only thing left is hopefully the management can execute so it can be the next trend. Otherwise it will only be a V2 retail. So that's that for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.